Hello class, I am starting today's lesson by correcting an error that I made in section 7, oops, look at that, section 7.3, 7.3. And I noticed it as I was teaching and didn't go back, and I think I got wrapped up on everything else. This was in solving equations for secant. And the first step that we did was really great. And I had a solution set of the 5 pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6 that gave me a -2 for secant of the 3 theta. But the problem is this is not the solution, but what it should turn out to be. And I did a very grievous error, and I apologize. I know that 3 theta over 2 must equal 5 pi over 6. And I took the percentage of it. I took the 3/2, which is terribly erroneous. So what happens here is I multiply by reciprocal. To get the theta I need, that once that action is done, will give us that value. Okay, so that's my grievous error. So this guy is 5 pi fourths. Because when I multiply it by 1.5, I'm going to get what? 5 pi sixths. All right. So the other solution was that the 3/2 of theta equal, because this is theta equals, the 3/2 theta equals these values. The 3/2 theta equal to that 7 pi sixths that is also giving me a -2. Going to be multiplied by reciprocal again. So that the theta I need it to be, where I can multiply by the 3/2, is going to be, oops, yeah, 2. Oh, dear God, I did it again over here. It's because I made a mistake and it makes me mad. When I do that, I am going to have 7 pi ninths. Okay, so I'm solving for the theta I need. What this means is if I take 3/2 of the 7 pi ninths and I take 3/2 of the 5 pi ninths, I will get as my overall theta, because this will go into 3, 7 pi sixths, which is the one I want, and this one is 5 pi sixths. Does everybody see that? And I am so sorry I made that error. And like I told you earlier, I felt it, but I didn't go back, so that made it rough. Okay, so I'm going to send this one out to the entire class so that everybody knows to correct that on their notes. Thank you.